Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I finally finished this clock. I'm scheduling my videos, and part 2 will come out on the 27th of September, and then part 3 will come out on the 29th of September. So look forward to doing it. Another clock out of the way, about 70 more cuckoo clocks to go. Sir Lucky. So look forward to watching those videos.
Hang on a minute.
And this is the reason why I come to my brother-in-law's place. Currently, my internet upload speed is 0.1, where his is 213 megabytes per second. And currently, my download speed is 7 megabytes per second, where his is 146. Sorry, there's going to be 4 parts to this video, but I just wanted to show you something. This is my analysis on YouTube. This is my all-time, lifetime videos, most watched videos. This is my number 1 video. What may be wrong with your cuckoo clock stopping? Almost 18,000 views. This is my number 2 video, repairing a Kundo torsion anniversary clock. 9,585 views. I'm not the expert in torsion anniversary clocks. I advertise for this guy all the time. Torsion Dell is his YouTube channel. His name is Derek. He has 812 subscribers. The man repairs anniversary/torsion clocks for a living. They're called torsion clocks, alright? But in the early 1900s, an American company advertised them as an anniversary clock because you only have to wind them up once a year, and the name stuck for Americans and some parts of the other country, but they're called torsion clocks. This man repairs them professionally for a living, but he gives out free advice. He shows you how to put them in beat, how to change out the suspension spring, how to clean them. So I'm glad that you're watching my videos, but if you want to know how to repair an anniversary clock, this is the man that you need to subscribe to. He knows it all. He's a professional. He makes little screws and broken parts, and he does it all. And so please subscribe to his channel. I'd like to see all my members subscribe to his channel. And so even if you don't have any anniversary clocks, it doesn't cost you anything to hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to show you this is my home page, and these are all the subscriptions that I am subscribed to. And I have not paid one single dime to subscribe to these channels. I have, close to 200 channels that I'm subscribed to. It didn't cost me anything. When you subscribe to somebody's channel, when you go to your home page, you'll have notifications from on a new video. Cheryl Adair just got through posting this video 1 hour ago. So I'll watch that video and make comments and hit the like button. You know, she's a very good teacher. She has a lot of patience. She trains dogs as part of her living. She's a professional dog trainer. you have to have a lot of patience with dogs to train them. And she goes out in competitions. She's won several trophies. And because she has a lot of patience on training dogs, she has a lot of patience on repairing clocks. And I really like her videos. But subscribe to Torchendale. Please subscribe to all the channels that I mentioned. Again, it doesn't cost you a darn thing. You do have to be signed in to YouTube in order to subscribe to somebody's channel. Now, some of the channels that I mentioned, they have premium member subscriptions where you can make monthly payments or donate a certain amount of money, and you can watch videos that people who don't pay can't watch. Every one of my videos have always been free, and they will always be free. Most of the channels that I mention in every one of my YouTube videos, most of them provide free videos. So please take the time and subscribe to these people's channels, even if you don't own any of those clocks. It will help them out. It takes a lot of time to make these videos. On this clock, this Schmeckenbecher Hofbrauhaus clock, I've worked on it for probably 20 hours, I'm estimating. And, it was cheap. It had a lot of issues. And so I took the time to make the videos and come over to my brother-in-law's house to upload these videos, to edit the videos. With an hour-long video, Clip Champ, I started editing this video about 15 minutes ago. So it's going to take 45 minutes to an hour just to edit this video with fiber optic internet. It only takes 5 minutes, but you have to be on the internet to use ClipChamp. It only takes about 5 minutes to upload it to my YouTube channel. But, I spent a lot of time. We all spend a lot of time making these free videos for you to watch, so you don't have to pay a clock repair person. You have to fix it yourself, but we show you what to do. So please take the time and subscribe to every one of these channels. And may God bless each and every one of you. Cheryl lives out in the country just like I do. Her and I video chat all the time. It probably took her 12 hours to upload this 14-minute video. It takes a lot of time to do all this stuff. So please, take the time to subscribe to every channel that I mention.
This original
it supports us. It gives us the confidence to make more videos. Gives us the drive to make more videos to show you how to repair your clocks. And I'm going to sit here and watch her video while my video is edited.
So my first mission is going to be to get this.
But part 1 of this, part 1 is already loaded on the Scheckenbecher clock. Part 2 is going to come out the 27th of September. Part 3 will come out the 29th of September. And part 4 will come out 2 days later.
Taking the brunt of the work, and this was just the end of it.